Unpacking the phrase, existing in a vacuum. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase, existing in a vacuum. This expression might sound a bit scientific at first, but it's widely used in everyday English to describe situations, decisions, or events. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Existing in a vacuum refers to a situation, decision, or event that is considered in isolation, without taking into account external factors or influences. The word vacuum in this context represents an empty space where nothing else exists or happens. In real life, it implies that something is being looked at without considering the wider context or the influences that could affect it. For example, discussing a country's economic policy without considering its impact on society or the environment is an example of thinking in a vacuum. This phrase highlights the importance of looking at the bigger picture and recognizing that very few things happen in complete isolation. You can use existing in a vacuum in various contexts to emphasize the need to consider broader implications or factors. Here are some examples to help you understand how to incorporate it into your conversations. In discussions, we cannot discuss the education system's failures as if they exist in a vacuum. Societal, economic, and political factors all play a role. In debates, your argument assumes that these policies can be implemented in a vacuum, without considering their real-world impacts. In analysis, this literary work doesn't exist in a vacuum. It reflects the cultural and historical context of its time. Using this phrase appropriately will help you convey the complexity of situations and encourage a more holistic understanding of the topics discussed. Understanding the phrase, existing in a vacuum, is not just about the words themselves but about recognizing the importance of context in our lives. Every decision we make, every event that happens, and every idea we discuss is influenced by a myriad of factors. By acknowledging this, we foster a more thoughtful, informed, and nuanced approach to our conversations and analyses. This phrase teaches us to be mindful of the broader context, encouraging us to think critically and avoid oversimplifications. It's a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of things and the importance of considering all angles. And there you have it, folks. Existing in a vacuum is a phrase that challenges us to look beyond the surface and consider the wider implications of our actions and ideas. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning English is not just about vocabulary or grammar. It's about understanding the subtleties that make the language rich and expressive. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing aspects of the English language with you. Keep learning, keep questioning, and, most importantly, keep enjoying the journey. Until next time,